So here's the shell dapp. It looks just like a swap screen interface with an input token at the top and your output token at the bottom. When I go to select a token, I can choose between a bunch of different tokens over here, but I can also directly interact with DeFi protocols. Let's look at Beefy. I'm currently an LP in the Curve USD MIM pool, getting about 0.06% APY. I think I can do better, and I'd like to get this 10% APY over here. So I'll select the MIM pool as my input token. And then for my output token, let's go back to Beefy. I'm going to select the USDT pool over here. I'm going to move all my tokens, so let's hit max. It's calculating the rates. Rates calculated. Now it's just a matter of swapping the tokens, confirming the trade. Off camera, I'm signing the transaction with my wallet. And what's happening under the hood is the shell protocol is withdrawing my tokens from the MIM pool, swapping the tokens as necessary, and then depositing them into the USDT pool. Looks like the transaction's confirmed. If I were to go to the Beefy dapp, I would see that I now have a new balance in the Curve USDT pool. Thank you.